Yeah, that's why I'm having this sound. But if I change this to I can't. My mouse, oh my god. Oh, oops. Oh yes. Right. Hear this? Okay, still the same. Yeah, it's different now. You see? Text amount. Okay, it's okay. So you just come like this. This one you can also use it with the log drum. All right. Oh, this is perfect now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to Ama82K. In this specific tutorial, before we get some work done, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another preset track. This one, it is called Ama82K 08 bass, or let's just call it log drum 08 bass. The reason why I say log drum 08 is because sometimes when you listen to this type of a bass preset, you'll be thinking, is it an 808 or it's a log drum? So there's a little bit confusion. That's why I am calling it log drum 08 bass. So it sounds like this when it's on. And sometimes it can even sound way aggressive like this. Can you hear this? This kind of texture. So, right, if you actually listen to the new Amapiano sound that we have at the moment, like you hear a lot more of this texture, then you'll be thinking, is it a log drum? Is it you understand? But then now it's time to solve this. So let me play the whole project again, and then we can dive deep into the presets, and the link is in the description if you want to get this preset track, because it has some presets different in terms of texture. As for this one, I had to to listen to a lot of Amapiano songs and to recreate the preset from scratch, trying to see if I can get that same sound. And if you use FL Studio, you could get this sound using the plugin that they use for log drum. But in this case, log drum effect track that I created, the Ama82K log drum, you might struggle to get this sound. So I had to redesign everything from the operator, just trying to do custom macro mappings that are easy to use and give you the ability to get that sound easy, So let me play everything now, and then I'll play the preset. This is aggressive. Okay, let's say we have a log drum on top of it. Like we have like what did I do? Okay, let's say we have a log drum. So I already have a log drum track, which is this one. So let me just change the color into maybe green so that it does not confuse. What did I do? I ended up deleting the actual track. Oh damn. Okay, here we go again. We are back, and then I was supposed to do this. Okay guys, like I said, the download link will be in the description, so you just have to check the download link. So yeah, so basically this is everything. It is made up of operator, and it does have some presets here. So Let me switch off and explain to you how you're gonna use this, because I don't want you to get this and still have a problem on using it or still fail to use it. So the first preset is kind of sub, and it is softer, which is this one, right? And then the second preset is a little bit aggressive. You can hear it's the same preset, the first one. So if I play this with the song, let me switch off the 808. I mean the log drum. So let's listen to the first preset. Oh, which is softer. Okay, and then this one, the aggressive one. Oh, okay, cool. So and the other thing that you can do, it is simple to use, because if you actually see, you can just pick any preset and then try to play around with this one. Because with this, in fact, let me just explain to you what are these. So this is TXTR for like texture, you know. So you've got like some changes for texture here, and then you also have texture B. So this is A. You have texture B and texture amount, which is this one as well. And you have tone, spread, and volume. So I think for me to make this video short, I have to keep doing more videos on how to use it actually, and then I will explain to you further. But let me just keep going with the presets. So I'm here now. Can you hear that? Do 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 do. Can you hear that? Do do do. So, for you to get that sound, do 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 do. When you in the piano roll, like actually, if we have like long notes, for example, if I stretch this one, it will make that sound. So I want you to listen to it. You see? Do 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 do. And then if you make it shorter like this, it will just play normal way. That's why you see some notes are long and some are short. You know, like for you to get that do do, or you want to have do, right? And then another thing, if you really make these notes shorter, you get that nice sound again. For example, if I play this section, so let me play this section. You see? So in fact, let me choose a different preset. So if I pick this one, right? So let me actually go to that section exactly and show you what I mean. So you can see I have a tiny note, like a little one, which is here. That's why I'm having this sound. But if I change this to I can't. My mouse, oh my god. Oh, oops. Oh yes. Right. Hear this? Okay, still the same. Yeah, it's different now. You see? It's different from this. So this is what you're gonna do for you to get that core sound. And if you wanna make it aggressive, you come to this one, texture B. I should change this into amount. Texture B. This is amount. You know, amount of the texture that you want. You know, texture amount. Okay, it's okay. So you just come like this. So yeah, let me go to the other preset. Oh, this one is more sub. That is, you can say it is a little bit close to 808. So for this one, you can use it as well with the log drum. You can hear how it sounds. Hear this? Okay, let me go to the next preset. Oh, can you hear the difference in terms of like a stereo because of this spread here? Oh, nice. Oh, I like it. Oh, oh, I like it. Let's go. Let me go into the next preset. Oh, it's similar to the first one, to this but it just has a different texture. This one you can also use it with the log drum. All right, so yeah. Oh, this is perfect now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, I think that's all for this tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want this best preset rack, you gotta have to check. The link will be in the description. In fact, it is in the description. So yeah, just grab this and have fun. I was gonna include this project, but unfortunately this is just a project for a client, so I can't include it inside the download link so that you can back test and test. But like I said, just to before you go and grab this, I said when you're in Piano Raw, if you make these long notes like this, it will make a double sound like do do, like do do. So I just wanna re-explain that guys, so that you use this thing correctly. So let me solo here. You see, do do, you get double sound like do 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 do. So there's some time whereby it might work, especially like if I play this section here, do 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 do, or do 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 do. If I play this, can you hear this? Do 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 do. So that's the tip number one. Then the second tip, if you make them short, like this, you get this. And then what else that I mentioned? Yeah. I think that's all. The velocity is working. So you can put any velocity that you want. Yeah, that's all guys. So you can go and grab it if you wanna try it, and then yeah, you let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Yeah. I don't wanna go, but anyway, I think I just have to do more videos for this. Also, I will do like my personal project. And then I will put the link in the description for the download link of a project, so that you can go back and forth and testing with the real-time project. Okay guys, see you. Bye bye.